fire alarm, the Villa 429 Napoleon Place, Johnstown.
Camera 36 assist responding.
6 assistant responding. Showing zone 1 general alarm.
Engine 36-3 is responding.
Engine 36-3 responding. Zone 1 general alarm.
Camera 36 assistant. I'm on scene. Villa side A. I'm talking to
36 assistant received. Nothing showing side alpha.
Camera truck 36-2 responding. You have the update.
Truck 36-2 responding.
Benedict Mater.
Gabriel.
Go ahead.
36 assistant. Received a second call from the alarm company. There is a Debbie Gibson on site. So she does not see smoke, but she does smell something.
Reach on investigate.
36-3 is on scene.
Free from assistant. Bring your crew in. We need to investigate. There is an odor of smoke in the building. D2 is responding. We need your crew as well. Where are you received?
D2 is responding. 2129.
6 2 received.
36 assistant Camry.
Camry, go ahead.
36 assistant received a third call from the alarm company. They received 3 additional signals from zone 9 and 1 additional from zone 4, all general alarms.
Camry, that's received. Be advised. I do have smoke showing side D attic area. We'll be investigating further.
Received smoke showing side delta attic area.
3 captain from 3 tailboard. I'm going to stay downstairs with truck 2's engineer. You can point hand line in. I think we're going to need to, yes. Assistant from 2 captain, I'm going to need a key to the attic. Assistant 3 tailboard. Help me go to start the point and hand line up to Division 3. Yeah, there's definite fire up in that attic, I believe. Assistant from 2 captain, you receive my words about the key. I'm on my way. I'm up the stairwell on the 3rd floor. Relocation. We're in the stairwell to the left side. Assistant from 3 tailboard. We're deploying the alley to the lobby. 36 assistant at Carnahan. We need the line up the left or the left-hand stairwell to the attic. Left-hand side from the lobby. Yes, up the stairwell to the attic. Receive. Nose coming down to help you. Assistant from 2 captain, I found the source of fire. I'm going to need that hand line. It's on its way. Let's start evacuating some of these people down in the 1st floor. Carrie, give me a second one.
36 assistant received.
Assistant to Captain Boyle. The line's on its way up. What do you got in there, Jimmy? Assistant, we got working fire. It's in the attic. We got the one side knocked down. The other side's going to be hard to get through. We might have to get it from below. Receive the hose line its way up. When it gets there, let me know. We'll get charged.
All call. Station 3 RIC assignment. Station 28 RIC assignment. Station 37. All upgraded. Commercial structure fire. The Villa 429 Napoleon Place, City of Johnstown. Johnstown fire.
Truck 3 is on 5 o'clock. City fire.
Truck 3 responding. Active fire on the 3rd floor. Johnstown fire.
3 engineer. 3 tailboard. Charge at your alarm. Alleyway. Charge the alleyway. Receive. Price. Can you get that? Quiet. Camera from engine 36-3.
Engine 36-3, go ahead.
I'm going to need JPD at Haynes and Napoleon Place for traffic control for a hose line.
Engine 36-3, that's received.
Assistant from Richland Truck 3. We're in the city now. Bedford Street. Construction. Come into the complex here. I'm going to need your personnel to this thing. Nick, I have that connection to Haynes Street. I'm going to need a hand getting that across.
Medic 38-1, commercial structure fire, the Villa Napoleon Place, City of Johnstown. Medic 37-1, Medic 37-2 responding. 2141, dispatch 2136. Active fire, 3rd floor. They're evacuating.
Camera medic 31, I responded. I copied the update.
One responding 2142. Dispatch 2142. Special Services 35, commercial structure fire, the Villa, the fully in place city of Johnstown.
36 assistant, you're 21 minutes into your alarm.
Established. Truck 3 from engine 36-3. I need you to come in here to Napoleon Place. I need to make his connection. Truck 3 copies over Napoleon Place. For now, place your rig across these lanes of traffic so nobody runs over this. Hold on, truck. Assistant from Camden Oil. I got the button rocking the fire locked down in the end and open up the hole to the 3rd floor. I got flashlights showing up. I need someone to check that 3rd floor for me. Somebody check the 3rd floor. As soon as I get a crew here, I'll send them up. Assistant from 3 tailboard. I got dropped down to Division 3 from the attic area. Do you need another hose line in Division 3?
35-1, 35-2 responding. Dispatch 2142. Active fire, 3rd floor. They're evacuating.
35 from 31. Just confirming you're bringing your rehab equipment. Assistant 3 tailboard, if we get somebody to bring an additional hook to Division 3, it'd be greatly appreciated. Assistant from 3 tailboard, we confirmed everybody's out of the structure. Sean, I'm not going to confirm that. They're working on getting them downstairs. I don't know how well it's working, though. That's received. Can you send somebody up with a long hook, 6-foot hook for Division 3, please? 2 personnel from Station 3 are on their way up to see you.
That 6-foot hook's coming to the 3rd floor now.
6 assistant, Kimber.
Go ahead.
36 assistant, we're on the line with Camtran now attempting to get a bus for the residents.
That's received, thank you. 6 assistant, rescue engine 21, Monocker, DRHS instructions. Rob, keep on coming down Monocker, and then pull in to the left side between the cancer center and where Dr. Bortel's office used to be, and come on in that way. Camp Brown Ranch, we got the hydrocyst on. We'll get you water momentarily to make the connection. Carrier 36 assistant.
Assistant, go ahead.
Carrier, they still have active fire in the attic. I have multiple EMS agencies on scene. They're working on getting the residents down. Got a major price, let me know you're ready for water. Assistant 3 tailboard, if it hasn't been done so, we could probably consider with the electricity, there's turning into the ceiling. Sean, can you repeat your message? We're digging pretty good in the ceiling on Division 3. Is there any way to secure the utilities for Division 3 power-wise? I'll find out. I'll be back with you.
Medic 30-1, police are behind the Villa, under the bridge on Route 56, requesting a unit to respond for a female that fell, and they have a couple females and crushed a couple residents that need help down the ramp.
Can you send 35 units there? We're actually bringing folks down the steps in the main residence.
This is Medic 37-1. Medic 35-1 from Kimber.
Go ahead.
Medic 35-1, respond to the rear of the building under the Route 56 bypass. Police have a female on scene that has fallen. They're also requesting help with getting individuals down the ramp.
36 assistant, you're 30 minutes into your alarm, 10-minute ETA for Camtran.
That's received. Assistant 3 tailboard, you have a couple guys who send some lighting to the attic in Division 3. It'll be on its way. Here's it. 1C. You're broken, Randy. You ready for that water? Send the water. You're broken again. Just confirming you're ready for water. Yes, send the water. Captain Boyle from Assistant. Go ahead, Assistant. Assistant, go ahead with your message. How are you making out up there? Did you get knocked down or what? The fire's knocked down. Looking at some hot spots. We're going to figure out how we're going to fix this place. Camry, Rescue 36-1 responding.
Rescue 36-1, received.
Assistant, I'm just going to put the rescue down by the hotel if that's okay. That's fine. Truck 36-4 responding.
36-4, received.
Rescue 36-1, don't see. Assistant from 2 captain. Go. Well, let's get some fans up here. The battery operated one, obviously. We still have power up here. We can bring the other electric fan up here, too. Okay, I did make access to the electrical panel, so if you need something shut off, let me know. But for right now, we'll leave them on.
Truck 36-4.
Go ahead.
Napoleon and South Chief, staffing of 4.
Received. Come to the front of the building by my squad with your personnel, and I'll get with you when I get back downstairs.
Slide in your squad after received.
That.
Carry over to Johnstown. We're doing extraction.
Six assistant, that's received. All the utilities were notified. Standard 1 to 2 for panel X.
Received.
Truck 36-4,
36 assistant, Camry.
Go ahead.
36 assistant, 652 was reporting the roof for the third floor hallway collapsed. Not sure if you were aware of that.
Yeah, there's personnel out there.
Precinct.
Camry Wagon 36-6 responding.
Again, 36-6 responding. 6 assistant, Camry.
Go ahead.
36 assistant, you're 45 minutes into your alarm. Any need for Red Cross?
Carrie, you can have a representative come. I'm not sure about if they're going to be needed or not.
36 assistant, the first part of your message was echoed. Repeat.
You can have a representative come to the scene. I'm not sure if they're going to be needed or not.
Batch received, assistant.
Finest place to stage and come up to the scene.
Assistant from 3 tailboard. I don't know if it'd be worth sending the crew to Division 2, see if we have any water, maybe do some salvage in the apartment below this hallway in Division 3.
Street seats.
Back at 36-6 on scene.
Captain Patterson from assistant. Street. Came up there with you on the 2, check for water damage.
Captain Myers and Firefighter Myers are checking that now.
Street, thank you.
Captain Carnahan, what rooms are you in on the 3rd floor? Try starting around room 210. Appreciate it.
I see from assistant C. Go ahead.
Can you have somebody bring the smoke injector up into the attic area? I'm with Captain Boyle. We're working on a couple hot spots. Everything looks pretty good up here, but we got some trapped spaces where it's going to be tough to vent, so the smoke ejector might help.
Right, it'll be on its way.
Okay.
Firefighter speed talk, bring it on up.
Captain Carnahan, do you have keys on Division 3 by chance?
Do you have any additional units, EMS, coming to the scene here?
31, contact communication.
Okay, stand by.
Yeah, exactly.
Assistant, Camry.
Go ahead.
36 assistant, Red Cross was notified. They're going to be contacting.
Go ahead. What's your location? I'm in the left-hand stairwell on 3 going to 2. Okay, I have a representative from the power company here. Do you need any assistance from him? Not right now, but if you could stick around a little bit, that'd be great. Reese, we're from 21 Commander.
21 Commander, go ahead.
21-1 to ALS staff. Reese, 35 Commander.
35 Commander, go ahead.
I'm on the air. I'm probably about 5 minutes out. Can we establish an operations frequency for EMS?
35 Commander, I moved GMS to southwest.
Back to what do you got? 3 engineers. Go ahead. Were you able to secure this line for a while? Repeat? Were you able to secure the hose line? Or are you still flowing water?
We're not flowing water as of right now. I would leave it up here for a little bit.
I understand. I'm going to shut down. Call for it whenever you need it. Did we establish a ops line for EMS?
35 35 Commander, switch to South 1.
Up 1.
5 Commander from 38-1.
37-1.
Go ahead.
1. I'm back now. I'm heading back now with that load of blankets.
Okay, if you can return to where you were staged, and I'll have some people help you unload.
Receive.
5 Commander from 38-1.
35 Commander, go ahead.
Your location, if you're able to come to the command post in the front of the building.
Received. I'll be there momentarily.
Received, thank you.
Villa IC from Kimmer.
Got it.
Villa IC, you're 1 hour, 15 minutes into your alarm.
Received.
Park standing by.
Medic 92 is on scene, 2236.
Camry 36 assistant. If you can get a highway, have them bring a salt truck over, please.
Assistant, receive.
Camry, we're responding to the Villa incident in the city of Johnstown.
31, that's received. You're responding 2237. Switch to South 1. 37-1 from camera.
37-1.
Medic 37-1, your station was dispatched for a lift assist at the Roxbury Place Apartments. Would you like us to send next to?
That'd be great. We're committed down here.
Received.
That's Anderson.
Summary Technical 643 on scene and staging.
Somerset Naval 643 on scene, 2239.
Camera from EMSIC.
EMSIC, go ahead.
Have all units incoming to City hold. We may be able to house all the patients here on the second floor.
All incoming EMS units to the Villa, Napoleon Place, City of Johnstown. Per EMSIC, you can cancel.
Decision response here received.
641 and sir, 2240.
6056.
Somerset 6056, go ahead.
Responding to the Villa in Johnstown. That's System B, go ahead. Randy, did you get pictures in the laundry room of the Raptors? The laundry room on the 3rd floor. Now, the only areas I got were where I was at with you in the attic, and then down on the 3rd floor in the hallway. See, we're going to cover the city till he gets some trucks available.
Medic 92 from camera.
Go ahead, camera.
Medic 92, we're going to keep you committed at Tech Park on standby for calls in the city.
Receive.
Medic 46-2, go ahead.
For talking with 9-1, we are going to pursue to the city to cover the city until we get trucks available.
6-2, that's received, yes. Respond to the public safety building for standby.
We'll advise when we're in the area.
46-2, received. Villa IC from Kimmer.
Got it, Cameron.
Villa IC, you are now 1 hour, 32 minutes into your alarm.
Received. Cameron, just give me on the hour.
Received, Villa IC.
36 IC from 38-1.
Go ahead.
What's your location, sir?
I'm coming back down to side A.
I'll wait for you at side A. Give you a report of our concerns about the second.
Received. I'll be right out. Champion 36 assistant. Can you get a hold of Fire Marshal? Have him come to the scene.
36 assistant, received.
Camera from Villa IC.
IC, go ahead.
Just confirming, we are not going to be moving any residents from this facility.
Villa IC, that's received.
Cameron, can you have the Fire Marshal contact Assistant C, cell phone?
Received.
Cameron, go ahead.
Assistant Charlie, DSP advised fire marshals en route to another incident. It may be an extended time frame for the phone call.
Received. 3 engineers from the hydrant's off.
Miller from 3rd Division.
Assistant C, Assistant A. If you got somebody outside, come bring an attic ladder, Division 3. That'd be great. Where do you need the attic ladder? Division 3. Received.
Villa IC from Kimmer.
Got it.
Villa now 2 hours into your alarm.
Research. 35IC to Cambria.
35IC, go ahead.
You have fire personnel come into room 101. They say it's exceptionally warm in here. They'd like to have it checked.
35IC, that's received.
Go ahead.
36 assistant. 35IC is requesting a crew to room 101. They have extensive heat in the room, requesting it checked.
35IC from Kimmer.
Cambria from 831. Clearing the fire scene, you can show me in service.
38 was in service, 2342. 35IC from Kimmer.
35IC.
35IC, can Medic 92 be released from their standby?
Camera, we can release all units. We're going to hold one here to see until cleanup is completed.
35IC, that's received.
Camera, truck 3, Russian off.
Truck 3.
Go to the fire scene. West of the service.
Truck 3 received.